Thank you guys for watching my everyday fall makeup routine. I got a little bit glam. Everything I mentioned is going to be linked in the description box down below. So if you're interested in checking it out further, you can click that link. So we're gonna get to the makeup of the day. It's super simple, super easy. But lately my makeup has been able to fit in my bag. I have really been keeping it very simple these days. I've been running a couple of errands almost every other day, going somewhere really quickly, just into Home Goods, just into Target to shop for a few things for the holidays. Let's go ahead and take the makeup out of here that I need to use for this video. This is something really small, so is that. Tubular types of things. We're gonna start with Carmex. It's cold outside. Let's go ahead and put on my serums and my moisturizers. We're gonna start with the Trader Joe's Hyaluronic Moisture Boost Serum. I've used this maybe just a couple of times on Instagram stories. It sets in right away. I haven't been using it long enough to give you guys like a full review, but I generally just like love Trader Joe's products anyway. I use their Enrich sunscreen. For moisturizer, guys, I know this is a night cream. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Nourishing Night Cream, but it is incredibly dry outside. I don't need to particularly leave the house today, so I'm not totally worried about using sunscreen. I wanted to use an eye cream, but I can't find it. There's a ton of things on my desk. And also I want to moisturize my hands. In one of the last BoxyCharms I got this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. It smells so good, like divine, just absolutely lovely. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just pretty. If you're interested in getting BoxyCharm 5 items a month for $25, the link for that is linked right down below. I've been loving taking more care of my skin lately, so oh my gosh, I feel so good. I feel moisturized, my lips, my face, my hands. I am ready to do makeup. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is take a sip of this drink. I'm super excited. This is the caramel brulee latte. Normally I would go to Dunkin', but I really wanted to go to whichever coffee location was closer to my house. So I went to Starbucks to get a drink. So the first thing I want to do is use a tried and true primer, because believe it or not, after this makeup video, I'm also going to be filming some of the things that I got like in my Target haul, and I'm also going to be filming things for Home Goods that I got. So this is the One Heck of a Blot primer. You guys, this primer is so good. And lately I've been using the Colored Rain Smoke Show palette. You guys, I first used this in the summer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here called Naked Eye. And for every day, I love to do just like red on my eyes. So I'm just gonna pat this on top. This is the color called Flammable. I haven't done an everyday makeup routine in a while. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't. But the thing is, I feel like my everyday makeup routine doesn't change that much. Like if I'm just going to the grocery store or to Target. When is the last time I even did an everyday makeup routine? I don't think it was this year at all. I kind of like the idea of having a makeup routine modeled after like a fall drink, but this is like the color of my skin. So this would be like, there would be nothing on my face if I did a makeup routine the color of this coffee drink. Also, I like to just add a little bit of depth. So for depth, I'm gonna take the Milani Banana Setting Powder. So this is gonna help add depth. Do you see how I just like made my eyebrow more prominent? I haven't used any of these little tubes that I showed you, but they're coming. They're right around the corner. And I've been using the I Am Inspiring Pencil by a brand called Real Her. I've never heard of the brand Real Her, but this pencil I would definitely recommend because it's got like a small, tiny pointed tip, and it also comes with the brush, the spoolie part. So today I'm gonna use the Milk Kush Cypher Brow Gel. Cypher is the color. So I rotate between this one and the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. So that's the Milk Kush Fiber Brow and Cypher. So I take that with me a lot. And then also what I take with me is the Caramel Colored Concealer by NARS. This is gonna cover up like dark spots that I have like on my face. I use this to go ahead and carve out my brows. So I'll just put a little bit above my brows like that. And then what I'll do is I'll take a pencil or like a small flat brush, any brush you like. It could be like a flat shader brush, it could be a concealer brush, it could be a lip pencil brush, and I'll just carve. And what I love is, since the concealer is like my foundation color, this line doesn't end up being too harsh. And then I'll brush the hairs up like one more time again later. On the go, honestly, I've just been using the Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner pencil, and I just do like a ton. So I had to change my camera really quick, but if this was a regular glam makeup routine, I would put like a black pencil, I would tightline it, but I'm not gonna tightline today. Let's put these lashes on really quick. These are Demi Wispies by Ardell. I use Eyelure Lie Glue. Too much coffee? Wow. Slow it down. You know what? I'm not gonna use that actually. I just have a lot of lash glue. I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use this black lash glue that I have. I love JCat Beauty eyelashes. This glue, I think I might like it a little more than the JCat Beauty eyelashes. That is like out of control, right? This glue is so good. It makes everything stay. You could probably sleep in your lashes with the JCat Beauty glue. Okay, while those are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the L'Oreal Bambi Eyes mascara. And particularly, I like this mascara for the bottom row, but since I'm going to be putting on eyelashes, I don't mind putting it at the top. That's so weird. I didn't do like my bottom lashes. Let's do that really, really quick. And I just mix these two together for the bottom. What I'll normally do is I'll take like a fluffy brush. This is my Wet n Wild crease brush that I love. And I'll just put a little bit of the dark color here, which is called Torch, in the corners. If you guys want to see more of my dog, Peach, then click the link down below. It's gonna take you to a video where she made her first YouTube cameo in a video that I did. Click the link down below if you want to see that video. So we are all zoomed out, and I really like the way that looks pretty natural. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of mascara on my lower lashes after we do my face. I want to start with my concealer today because I'm going to be using more of a skin tint. I've been using a skin tint a lot lately, and the concealer I have found will cover better if I use it first. So the first concealer I'm going to use is this Yellow Corrector by NYX. I've been really into NYX products lately. I'm going to put the Yellow Corrector all under my eyes. Now I do not have like dark bags under my eyes, and I'm really thankful for that, but I do love the way the yellow brightens under my eyes. So we're gonna put that there. Also, what I'm gonna do is take some of this concealer, this is the Caramel that I told you about, and put it on top of wherever I had a lot more dark spots. I have here. Well, I go ahead and I dab this all in with my Wet Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Face Sponge. And this is also another reason why I like to do my lower lash mascara after I do my face, because I'm most likely touching my lower lashes with this sponge right now. That's what I really like about makeup too. There isn't like a wrong way to do it. You've seen 6 billion people do makeup 6 billion different ways, you know? So this is the Morphe Skin Tint, the Morphe 2 Skin Tint. What color is this? This is the color Hint of Honey. Well, I probably use 3 to 4 full drops of this So it's not as full as a foundation, but it does give like a medium coverage, light to medium coverage depending on how many drops you use. So since I like to use like 3 to 4, oh my gosh, I just got it on my lash. No. Oh gosh. That is not what I need right now. That's not what I need right now. I have skin tint running down my face and I have to fix my lash. Are you kidding? And it can't stay there because, oh gosh, no way. I'm gonna have to get my lash to look darker somehow. Drama, oh my gosh, drama. Really? Okay, so the skin tint I put all over my face. And it looks super light right now, but it's not gonna be that light at the end. The tint is just easier to use than a foundation, especially for like every day if I'm literally just going to the grocery store. And then also like if I get the tint in my brows, like it doesn't do much. It doesn't cause problems, you know? It's not like something super thick that I have to go back and do a lot of like carving out and cleaning up over. Now, it does give me like a medium coverage. That's why I use like 3 to 4 drops. I think that people have been getting away with 1 to 2 drops, you know, because they just don't want that much coverage. I just love full glam and I love like a full cover look. But you can see that the hint of honey is not far off from my natural neck color. Love that. So what I'm gonna do is take the Milani setting powder, the yellow one. So this is the Banana Setting Powder by Milani. I'm just gonna use this all over my face. Mostly under my eyes. Oh, right. So I want to tell you guys that the skin tint and the setting powder, like the Morphe 2 skin tint and the setting powder, they do really well together. Very, very well. And I think a lot of people can wear the banana color. You don't just have to be like black or African American or of darker skin tone. You can be of a lighter skin tone and wear a banana too. You can also be of a darker skin tone and wear a banana. And then on a regular day, I don't put bronzer everywhere. I just put a little bit on my forehead and a little bit to carve out my nose. And I've been taking, honestly, whatever dark shadow that I use, I just put it on a brush that I can pinch like this. And then I'll just put it there. That's why I'm pinching, because I don't want it to go everywhere. And then I'll just blur it in to the top of my forehead. Now, if you have a smaller forehead than me, you might not need to do this step, but you see how that just made me look 3D? Like I look real again. I don't look totally just flat and washed out from all the banana powder and all the concealer and tint. All right, and then I go ahead and I take this, I just rub it down the sides of my nose to give myself just like a little natural looking contour. Then I go over that with the yellow powder too, so it doesn't look too harsh. All right, so let's go ahead and fix the, I don't want it to be clumpy. Let's fix what happened to the eyelash. I'm just taking a mascara and putting some black mascara on the lash. Lately, I've been using the RMS, what is this? RMS Passion Lane Lip. It's a lip tint, I believe. It doesn't break through the top layer of my skin, and I guess I've been wearing Carmex so often, I'm used to the product being able to do that and making my entire lip feel moisturized. This will make the top layer feel moisturized, so it will do in a bind, plus it adds a little bit of color, so it's cute. I take it with me if I want to add some color, if, you know, my lips are not crazy chapped. Obviously, nothing can stand up to something that says medicated. This is not medicated, it's just a basic balm. So for my cheeks, I'm using the Flammable Red here. Same thing that I use on my eyes. Do you see how I just like kind of came together when I put this on? It made me look like, oh, like I did the whole thing, like my whole face is done. And that's really it. And I just put a little bit on my chin. I'll dab my forehead just to make the color go far. But that's really it, you guys. Right. The bottom lashes really quickly. Oh, I can't see. Also, if I want just a little bit of gloss, I'll do the Wet n Wild Coffee Cat Deja Brew. Oh, and it's extremely moisturizing. This is worth it. This is like $2 at the drugstore. It's worth it. It smells like coffee. It adds a little bit of color, super moisturizing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down below what tips and tricks that you learned from me. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel, and all my Instagram handles are linked up here in the description box. And I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.